On Thursday, September 19th, Greenville High School led a parade for the upcoming homecoming weekend, which included the homecoming game, queen crowning, and dance. Each year, every senior high class designs and builds a float based on the given theme, and this year the theme was decades, with the freshmen being assigned the 60s, the decade of peace and love, the sophomores the 90s, the beginning of the modern era, the juniors the 80s, the start of the digital age, and the seniors the 70s, the time of disco and bell-bottoms.
The Decades theme was a lot of fun this year, so the students got to have a chance to kind of see what our teachers and staff maybe got to do in high school. So the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s was a lot of fun. I think the floats this year were fantastic, as they are every year. The students really go above and beyond and put a lot of time, effort, and personal, money and funds into making sure that the homecoming parade and the floats are as best as they can be.
Homecoming being early, you just have to work a little faster than usual, but it's not bad.
The prep for homecoming, it goes rather smoothly. It's just a lot of details and things like that to iron out. But overall, we've been doing this long enough and the tradition has stood for long enough that I think we've got it down to a fine science at this point.
The band marched up Main Street to the Greenville football stadium, followed by the floats of each class, with each homecoming queen candidate, Alicia Ruiz, Nicole Lacey, Mackenzie Calvin, Emma Park, and Annie Terry, following. After a performance by the Greenville Band and Band Front, with some cheering by the cheerleaders, the homecoming queen, Alicia Ruiz, was crowned.
Alicia Ruiz!
The whole community got together to create this blast from the past, and it was more than successful. For Trojan News, I'm Joshua Miller.